Good evening, everyone. My name is Rajiv. I'm representing Orb Energy Private Limited. We are located in Bangalore, but we have our entire team in across the country. We cater to all the segments of the industries. We provide solar rooftop solutions to SMEs and MSMEs. So these are, you can see, these are the few installations we have done across the country. That is 225 kilowatt rooftop solar in Tarapur MIDC, then Pune Shims in Pune, Muta Engineering in Satara. Then we have 900 kilowatt rooftop solar system installed at Karnataka, then 300 kilowatt in Uttarakhand. So this actually says that we are present in Pan-India location. We have our in-house team. We manufacture our own panels, and installations are done by our own team. So now we have our manufacturing plant in Bangalore. So right now we have a capacity of manufacturing 70 megawatt of solar panels, and now we are going to expand it to 200 megawatt. We have got approvals from all the necessary guidelines and all those things we have. And we also have collateral free loans. So all those SMEs and MSMEs who wants to take benefit of this scheme, they can definitely reach out to us, and it is without collaterals. Now you can see that one of our project of 3 megawatt rooftop solar system installed at Clean Packs Hassan, Karnataka was awarded as Best Indian Rooftop Solar Project in 2020. Then we have few more installations in other states like Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, and Ichalkaranji, that is in Kolhapur, then EPCO Mumbai, and then Aurangabad. So this is the latest installation we have done in Aurangabad, that is Leelasan's 900 kilowatt. So I want to tell all the SMEs and MSMEs organizations, solar is definitely going to be a beneficial for your savings in terms of electricity and as well as your hard-earned money. So please do reach out to us and do raise inquiries if you have any. Thank you. So my contact number is 8237296824. I'll repeat it once more, 8237296824. You can reach out to me at any point of time, and I'll definitely help you with all the queries you have. Thank you.